This is another very simple question. How is aniline, this is aniline, how is aniline converted to this, how is aniline converted to para-bromo or 4-bromo aniline? That means we want to introduce selectively only one bromo group in the aromatic ring in the presence of the amino group. The most important point to be remembered in this connection is aniline is one of the most activating groups attached to an aromatic ring. It's so activating that not only the two ortho positions, when you want to brominate this compound aniline directly, when you treat this with bromine, this will give rise to 2,4,6 tribromo aniline. That is, we get a tribromo derivative of aniline and not a monobromo derivative. Actually, we want only bromine only in the 4th position and not in 2 and 6. And therefore, we have to adopt a slightly different modification of this. This amino group is highly activating. This has to be a little bit deactivated. So, how do you actually deactivate it? You convert the aniline in the form of acetanilide by treatment with acetyl chloride. It is no longer NH2, we have an electron withdrawing group there. Therefore, this becomes acetanilide. This is known as acetanilide, acetyl derivative of aniline, acetanilide. This acetanilide, how is this obtained acetanilide on treatment with acetyl chloride? On treatment of aniline with acetyl chloride, assuming this aniline to be 1 on treatment with acetyl chloride will give rise to acetanilide. This acetanilide on further bromination in the presence of acetic acid will give para-bromo acetanilide. Only one group, that para position, will get acetylated, NHCOCH3. This on hydrolysis on treatment with acid will give rise to para-bromo aniline. So, this is a very simple method by means of which only one bromine group can be introduced. If directly brominated, it will give rise to 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, but we want only 4-bromoaniline, or 2 and 6 should not be there. Therefore, this is first deactivated and finally the free amino group is being released by means of boiling it with acid. Simply it is given as HCl, boiling it with acid or something like that. The COCl3 will go away, COCH3 will go away, giving rise to the free amino group. This is the method by means of which, that is slightly deactivating it and then bringing back. This is something like protecting the amino group or deactivating the amino group.